Hi, I'm Kogo Shine. If you're watching this, that means two things. One, you're probably autistic. Two, it means you want to learn about nuclear science. Great, I can help you with one of those. The other, that's your journey. Maybe you're studying for the NRRPT or the CNP exam. Maybe you're a student who just wants to know more. Well, I think nuclear science is cool as heck, and I want to show you why. This is a new channel, so any interaction will help us grow. If you have a specific question, put it in a comment and I'll address it in my next video. So, nuclear science is all about what's going on in that nucleus of the atom. It's a field that overlaps with chemistry, but chemistry is mostly about electrons. How were you able to get platinum hexafluoride to bond with the famously non-reactive xenon? Electrons did it. And how do you explain the antimicrobial properties of the group 11 metals? Electrons. I won't talk too much about electrons. Frankly, I don't respect electrons. So, quick overview of the basics. An atom is unimaginably small. It is made of a nucleus surrounded by electrons. The nucleus itself is made of protons and neutrons. Both of those particles are called nucleons. Nucleus, nucleons. The number of protons determines what element it is, and the total number of nucleons determines the isotope. So all carbon atoms have 6 protons, but only carbon-14 has 14 nucleons, which means it has 8 neutrons. Some isotopes are unstable, so they emit radiation in the form of alpha, beta, or gamma particles in order to become more stable. Sometimes, after undergoing radioactive decay, if that new element is still unstable, it will continue to undergo decay until it reaches a stable form. The rate at which an element decays is known as the half-life. So, that about covers the basics, right? You didn't talk about positrons. I'll talk about that when I make a video about beta decay. What about neutron radiation? I feel like that's a little beyond the basics, but I'll talk about neutron radiation when I deal with interactions with matter. You said NRRPT and CNP and gave no context for what that's about. I just name dropped those so people preparing for those exams would know that I'm going to cover relevant content for them. But right now I'm basically just trying to introduce myself. You didn't even define radiation correctly. I will clarify that, yeah. You didn't talk about X-rays, delta particles, ionization, neutrinos. Subscribe and I'll get to it, okay? Thank you for watching. I look forward to making more videos about more complex aspects of nuclear science in the future. So until next time, I'm Kogo Shine. Do you think they'll notice that I'm filming this a week after the rest of the video? Because I accidentally deleted something. Yes, I did. Yes, I did. I deleted something.